Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. I've not posted for a long time, so I better give you a quick rundown. A couple of things I want to talk to you about. First of all, some of you may have noticed the rebranding on the channel. Now, the reason for this is the channel was called Free Jack, but everyone seems to have missed the point where the 2 3s are there instead of 2 E's to make it a bit different. The reason why it was like that was because it's been my gamer tag for over 20 years. So I just thought it was appropriate to use. I'm not called Jack, as many people keep trying to call me Jack. So I've changed the name to Driveway Ray because I'm called Ray. It's that simple. Hopefully it'll catch on, channel will grow a bit more, and see where we go from there. Point 2, there's going to be a new section on the channel, and anyone can come and join. Just either comment on this video, get in contact with me, but I've purchased a draggy. So we can test people's 0 to 60s, and we're going to do a series of it. Come down. I live just near Blackpool. I'm just off the M55 motorway. It's literally 2 long roads off the 55, and you're towards my house. Obviously, you can have a day trip to Blackpool and whatever, because I live that close. But I want people to come and have a go. See how good you are at changing gear, getting that 0 to 60 down on your car. If you've got a car, a van, modified, unmodified, everybody is welcome. So hopefully you'll see a lot more videos. Point 3. Love the FN2 Type R. It's like a go-kart round the streets, but on the motorway I found it horrible, and it didn't float my boat like the ST did. So the FN2's gone, and I now have a new channel car, second car, whatever you want to call it, and I've bought a 2007 Skoda Octavia VRS 2-litre TFSI. It's the Mark II. It's in bog standard condition, so there's lots of modifications that can be done to it, which I'm going to do on the channel. The car was sat for most of lockdown because the guy was working from home. The lucky thing about this car, it took me 5 minutes to walk from my house to go and view it. So I know I've met the guy properly. He lives local. I know I've not been robbed. Car's in fantastic condition. So we'll see where we go from there. See what happens with the car. But for now, thanks for watching. Look out for the next video, which is going to come pretty quick after this one. And we'll all join the journey together and see where we go. Thanks for watching.